The Digital English Campus is an English ecosystem that allows teachers to assign English learning activities and share them with their class or school community to track activity and progress of students. The Digital English Campus can be used for all 4 language skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing, on top of grammar, vocabulary, and exam preparation. Scribo can be introduced from grade 3 onwards. How exactly does the Digital English Campus simplify teaching and learning? 1. Friendly AI Assistant, Scribo. Scribo offers opportunities for multilingual support and differentiated instruction, from 50-word write-ups for grade K to creating a YouTube-linked quiz for an adult learner. Scribo changes the way English lessons are conducted. Maximize engagement with English learners of all ages with Scribo. 2. Create engaging activity deck. Choose from a plethora of options to create engaging activities to support English language learning beyond the classroom. Activity samples include speaking, auto-graded with AI, writing scaffolds, YouTube for education and unsplash images, drawing cards, and wobble words in English word games. Three. Activity library for enhancement of 4 language skills. Suggested activity deck allocation according to CEFR levels. Four. Assign and share activity decks. Activities created can be shared with selected pupils within the class for differentiated instruction. Sharing can be done to an individual class or to the public. 5. Track student progress. Monitor student progress or find out where in the world the activity has been accessed. Students can track their own activity and progress. Scribo is a smart digital assistant with a single focus to help teachers and students improve writing skills. Using machine learning and artificial intelligence, Scribo provides instant feedback and improvement suggestions on students' writing. Students receive consistent feedback, analysis, and resource links across 7 key writing domains. Why choose Scribo? For students, Scribo Student provides interactive scaffolding, suggestions, and assistive feedback. For teachers, Scribo Connect provides grading analysis and personalized feedback. For school leaders, teachers, and principals, the Scribo platform provides consolidated writing analysis, data insights, and targeted teaching. How does Scribo work? Here's an overview of the Scribo feedback flow. Getting ready, the writing. Create or load text into Scribo. Monitoring student progress. The writing check. The AI servers analyze and build tailored feedback. Understanding the feedback cycle from the student's point of view. The AI provides systematic feedback advice. Providing teacher feedback, targeted human coaching. Smart changes are made to improve the student's score. Generating reports, analytics for information and evaluation. Teachers receive better quality work for further coaching. Other features, beyond the writing assignment. Here reviews for students and teachers, as well as writing checks for teachers.